Today we are going to install the new DRT Motorsports in Bed Vertical Tire Carrier for 2024, plus Polaris Ranger XD 1500. Install time for this item is around 30 minutes and can be installed by yourself and comes in at a difficulty level of beginner. You will need the following tools for this project. So gather the tools needed and let's get to the install. Step 1. Attach lower mounting plates. Begin by attaching the two lower mounting plates using the provided button head hardware. With the hardware hand tight, fasten it down using an impact driver with a 5mm hex bit, while holding the nut on the backside with a 13mm wrench. Once you have one side complete, repeat this process for the opposite side. Step 2. Assemble bed mounting bracket. Insert the lower bedside plate into the stake pockets. Install the top plate using the provided 3 larger button head bolts. Each bolt requires a washer and nut. Start by hand threading all 3 bolts, ensuring the 2 plates are properly aligned. Using an impact driver with a 6mm hex bit and a ratcheting wrench with a 16mm socket, fasten the hardware. Step 3. Assemble tire carrier on vehicle. Begin by removing the 2 bed floor anchors. Next, bolt the plates together. The bed mounting bracket has welded nuts on the back side, so only the larger button head bolts and washers are required to secure the plates. Leave the hardware hand tight while ensuring everything is properly aligned. Using an impact driver with a 6mm hex bit to fasten down the 4 button head bolts. Tighten each bolt evenly, ensuring the mounting plates remain aligned during the process. With the plates securely fastened together, use a rubber mallet to press the tire carrier into position. Once aligned, use an impact driver with a 13mm socket to reinstall the factory floor anchors, securing the tire carrier in place. It is now time to install the tire mount plate and reinforcement plate. The reinforcement plate features welded nuts on the inside, so only the 4 button head bolts and washers are needed to secure the 2 panels together. Start by hand threading the hardware, then use an impact driver with a 5mm hex bit to fasten the bolts. The mounting plates are slotted, allowing for adjustment to accommodate different tire sizes and ensure proper fitment. If you have any questions during the installation, feel free to contact us via phone or email. Our support team is here to help. To stay up to date on the latest DRT Motorsports products and events, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram.